Ever found yourself missing those handy floating chat bubbles on Facebook Messenger? Don't worry, we've got you covered with this quick fix. First things first, let's make sure Messenger has the right to display these bubbles. Head over to your phone's settings, then tap on Apps or Applications. Find and tap on Messenger in the list of your installed apps. Now look for a section related to notifications and tap on it. Within notification settings, find the specific option for Chatheads or chat bubbles. Make sure this is turned on if it's already on. Try toggling it off and then back on again. Sometimes, the issue lies within Messenger's own settings. Open the Messenger app. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find Chatheads or Bubbles, and tap on it. Ensure this feature is also enabled here. If the above steps didn't do the trick, it's always a good idea to check for updates. Go to your device's App Store and search for Facebook Messenger. If there's an update available, download and install it. As a final troubleshooting step, sometimes a simple restart can resolve many minor glitches. Power off your phone, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. And there you have it. With these steps, your Messenger chat bubbles should be back and ready to help you multitask with ease.